I've written this book here on how wisdom restored a man's lost manhood, plus other stories. So I want to tell you the story about feasting in heaven. The hyenas were very happy in their home, very comfortable. They lived very happily together. So one day, the hawk came to visit them, and the hawk landed in their home. And then they all came out together to receive the hawk, because she had never visited them for a long, long time. After gathering, the hawk told them, "Hyenas have visited you. What are you doing here? And people are feasting in heaven." When the hyenas heard about feasting in heaven, they quickly told the hawk, "Please take us there. We want to eat. We want to feast." The hawk refused. He told the hyenas, "You are known for being greedy. If we go with you to heaven, you shall scramble for the food and you'll embarrass us. You'll embarrass me. So personally, I can never go to heaven with you." And the more the hawk refused, the more the hyenas pleaded, "We shall behave. We shall behave. Please take us to heaven. We want to eat." Then the hawk started flying towards heaven. And then after a short time, the hawk came back and told the hyenas, "I've made up my mind. I want to take you to heaven to feast. So you must promise me that you shall behave. You will not scramble or struggle for the food." The hyenas said, "We shall be gentle. We shall not struggle. We shall not scramble for the food. Please take us to heaven." Then the hawk told them, "Make a line very fast." Then the hyenas, they made a line very fast. "Who is your leader?" The hawk asked them. The leading hyena came in the front, and then the hawk instructed them that each hyena should hold each other's tail. So they held their tails, and then she told the leading hyena, "You hold my waist, so that as I fly to heaven, we shall go together." So the leading hyena held the hawk's waist, and they started flying toward heaven, flying like that, like that, like that, like that, the journey towards heaven. When they had gone for a long, long time, and they were just about to reach heaven, the hawk told the leading hyena, "You know what? The custom of these people in heaven is that when we are going there, especially for such a great feast where there's a lot of food to be eaten, meat and everything, we must arrive there in uniform. But as it is, we are not in uniform. All the others are holding their tails. It is only you holding my waist. So you leave my waist, hold one of my feathers to act like my tail." And because the hawk was only thinking about feasting in heaven, she obeyed. She left the hawk's waist, held the tail. They left the hawk's waist, held one of the feathers, which plucked off, and all the hyenas became tumbling down, grasping for the air. Some of them died in mid-air. The few that would have survived, the heavy impact with the ground broke their bones and killed them all. So the hawk returned to eat. She had solved her problem of hunger. There was never any feast in heaven. Actually, the hawk had never eaten anything for 3 days. And that is when she decided to use the hyenas to get their food, to get her food. So she was eating the dead hyenas, the corpses, day after day, day after day. The lesson for this is that we should always be very careful. Wherever people sell us ideas, we should think twice before we get lured sometimes into traps that may end up hitting us very, very hard. So thank you very much again. You can follow me on all my social media channels: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or all the others at Edward Okinda. So thank you very much, and may God bless you.